Oh, he's being lifted on shoulders. He's being carried on and up the ground on their shoulders. And what a moment and what a sight. Wicketkeeper up to the stumps. Will Robbie break free? Breaks free. Packs it to perfection. Just Bukhara 6.
Malka Stoke.
The second game of Kishtwar Premier League Season 1. Next one goes deep down the crease. And that's gone all the way. Just Bukhara 6.
अरे अंडर लाइट्स मुकाबला 11वां ओवर ये देख लीजिए एक बार फिर हवा में उड़ाया है
Nervous 90s. Half tracker. That flies. That is just Bukhara 6 and is the 100. Batted really well. Fearless, and that one flies again. Just Bukhara maximum. Another 6.
कमाल की बल्लेबाजी
If you get to the pitch of the ball, then it's a belter. If you're lacking the foot moment, that one flies. And Robbie packs it again.
लाजवाब प्रदर्शन करा दर्शक एंजॉय कर रहे हैं इस मैच को इस नाइट को एक और खूबसूरत स्ट्रोक एक बार फिर गेंद सीमा रेखा से बाहर
Vast field where cricket is going on. Look at that, gone flat. There is a man at long off. Misfield 4.
49 गेंदों से रन संख्या 192 ये सीधे कमेंट्री बॉक्स के ऊपर निशाना साधा है और गेंद सीधे बाउंड्री लाइन से बाहर खासकर वैली स्टार्स गांधरबल क्रिकेट क्लब के लिए ये देख लीजिए एक और बेहतरीन स्ट्रोक एक और खूबसूरत स्ट्रोक और एक बार फिर गेंद सीमा रेखा से बाहर
But it's been a big night, a superb night for Robbie. On to front foot. Gun barrel straight, firing on all cylinders. Just Bukhara 4 for the loss of 2 wickets. First wicket falling on 0. And look at that shot again. That's done the distance. Just Bukhara 6.
ओवर में क्या बेहतरीन पारी खेली है इस बार फिर डाउन द ट्रैक लेजे उठा करके खेला है काफी ऊपर गई है गेंद और यहाँ गेंद 162 पे नाबाद है इश्तियाक रॉबी क्या कमाल की पारी खेली है एक बार फिर उड़ाया है और यहाँ हिरन को भी बीट किया और गेंद छक्के चौकों का रिकॉर्ड वो इंडिविजुअल हाईएस्ट स्कोर इस विकेट पे उसको भी पार किया और लीजिए एक और तोहफे में दिया है बाहर जाएगी मैदान से एक और जस्ट बुखारा छक्का
Fly. Is he gonna make the ball fly? It flies. It's in the air. There is a man. Will he get to the ball? And ball deviated a bit. Will it trickle into the boundary? No way. And with that, inning number 1 comes to an end. And Robbie will finish with 181 unbeaten knock. And look at the low. Everyone is going across. And a little pat on his back telling him that you are best in the business tonight. You've been the man of the night. Oh, look, everyone is going there and now he's being surrounded. Oh, everyone is going around him there and everyone assemble around him. Swarm of crowd there. Oh, he's being lifted on shoulders. He's being carried on and up the ground on their shoulders. And what a moment and what a sight. What a love he received here.